Hi, thanks for checking out our channel here. This is going to be a repair video on this particular unit. This is a Stockmaster SB2000. This is a 2 joule output 12 volt unit. So we're going to tear into it and see if we can get the unit going for a customer. We actually got a couple of them here. These are a store brand of some sort. I don't know what store sells them, but these are basically a private label Power Wizard unit. Alright, just want to take a real quick glance at the board here real quick before I plug it in. Everything looks okay. Let's look at the 12 volt real quick. Clamps look pretty rusty, so we might end up having to change those. Maybe that's the whole problem with it. Maybe it's not running because there's no power to get through the thing. So let's put power right here at the ends there. Now I can hear it. I can hear it humming. Oh. Alright, it started clicking, but I don't know why it was doing that. It seems like a little odd. Let's check this capacitor. This is a 15 microfarad capacitor. $14.9. Alright, let's let me go dig around here. I think we're gonna have to install a new board possibly. Let's plug the wire back into the capacitor. Now when it's clicking, I didn't really see the light flashing on there, but it doesn't mean anything. Let's see, this does have a switch on here. I don't know if that's like full power, half power, or what it is. Doesn't really say. Oh yeah, it does. Full and half, so it's on full power right now. I don't know, I don't know why it hums for a while and decides to, okay, now it's start working. Alright, well the red light is flashing, but it's hard to see. You gotta get the right angle on there. Let's take this tester here. Let's go across the terminals on the inside. Six kV, so turn this off, see what half power does. We got 4,500 volts on half power. I might temporarily put a new board in here and see what it does. See if it acts any different. Let me see if I got a board for this model. These don't come in that often, so I gotta see if I got a board for this thing or not. Let me go double check. Alright, dig around, but yeah, I've got a new board right here. I don't know if we've necessarily got a problem with this board. I don't know why it takes a while for it to start powering up and going. That just might be the nature of these things, but I want to try a new board in it just to see. Now if it does the same thing, what I think we need to do for sure is probably put new clamps on there, new alligator clips on there, because they're pretty rusted out. Now I gotta get this polarity right. Let's see, yellow's on the right or top, black's on the bottom. I think these are all whoops. Come on. Now I'm gonna discharge that capacitor real quick. Just to make sure we don't have any float around inside. That could accidentally shock me and I don't want it to. I want to get this right. I'll do one wire at a time. Because they do have a plus and minus on the board, but these wires aren't like color coded, red and black. They're both black. I mean, one wire is smooth and one wire's got like ribs in it. So I guess we could go that route, but I just do it this way. This is just as easy. Alright, so now we're going to put the capacitor on. Transformer on. Let's see, black one was on the bottom, the yellow one was on top. Alright, just turn it on. See, that one didn't take long to go power up and go. So I think we do have an issue with this board still. So the snap that's given sounds a bit stronger too. Let's test the output real quick. Voltage is about the same, 6.5. So we'll probably leave the new board in here, but we are going to put some new clamps on here. I don't like that. I mean, it is hardwired and soldered, but man, that rust is probably getting in the way. So let's go ahead and put new ones on. We'll do one at a time since they're both black wires. Probably FedEx or UPS. Come on. Alright, this one's done. Let's get the back cover back on. All right. Alright, one down, two to go, or one down, one to go. So next time, see you later.